Open source compilers are broken, we think. It's hard to tell. Compiler correctness must account for the memory models of the source and target program. A memory model determines the valid executions of a concurrent system. This can be especially complex in the presence of multi-threaded programs allowed by the C and C++11 memory model, and programs allowed by the relaxed ARM memory model. With ARM's advent into the server market, it has never been more important that our compilers handle concurrent programs. These programs must run both quickly and correctly. By checking whether the source and compiled target programs behave as expected under the source and target memory models, we can take a step to ensure that our programs run both quickly and correctly. We proposed a Téléchat tool to check whether compiler translation preserves concurrent program semantics over the source and target memory models. Téléchat is a tool suite that can take small concurrent programs called litmus tests, compile them with a compiler of choice, and check whether the expected behavior of the compiled program is a refinement of the source program behavior. We rely on the Herds tool suite for this, which forms the basis of the official ARM memory model and allows us to simulate the expected behavior of concurrent programs under the C and C++ and ARM memory models respectively. We can also run assembly tests on hardware if we wish. Téléchat allows us to check if our compilers have introduced forbidden behavior and has been used to validate real-world examples from the ARM compiler and GCC teams. Téléchat allows us to check whether program reordering or compiler optimization has led to invalid behavior. Finally, Téléchat allows us to check fundamental properties of language semantics, such as how volatile and const-qualified atomic types are violated by many real-world compilers. With Téléchat, we no longer need to waste time arguing about semantics or our interpretation of semantics. Instead, we can focus on issues such as whether the standards are sufficient in explaining how undefined behavior, for instance, can mask undesirable behavior, or perhaps how to improve compiler architecture co-design with a tool that can generate and run executable test cases. Ultimately, Téléchat allows us to check whether source and compiled target programs run both quickly and correctly, and this is vital for ARM's success in the server market. But this isn't the end of it. We need your help. Are you aware of any new language features or architecture extensions with interesting atomic or otherwise relaxed behavior? Would you like to check if compilers are doing what they should be? We would love to hear from you. Thank you.